This is my race car. And after being an absolute pain in the thanks to all the issues it had, it's finally running properly. Mostly. The clutch slips, the RPM lights have completely lost their mind, so we entered a time attack event to see if everything could survive a proper track session, and here are some of my favorite moments of the weekend. Starting from Saturday, we headed to Pomposa Circuit, a small but fun track in northern of Italy.
So it is Saturday and we are here with the car on the trolley, and it's nice. That's my girlfriend. Ciao! And telling you quickly how this car works. Simply we got the battery switch down here, and we have various switches about the actual power, general power. Then here we have the rear light in case of rain. We have the starter here. We have the gear system which we can turn on and switch off, because this car actually uses a motorbike engine, which means that these pedals just command a little piston inside of the engine, which basically pulls and pushes a little lever to make the actual engine switch gear. And we have the neutral light, the fan activation, and the ignition. So that's the reverse button, because the reverse is electrical. And this is our little car with the vigorously Fiat Panda brake system. Also, that is like they took it off from the car and actually installed on that. I zoom in instead of zooming out. That's my father, aka engineer, telemetrist, mechanic. He does everything and I help him out. So I just wanted to let you see this little tire, which is a bit consumed. There's a bit of graining or blistering, I don't remember the actual term for this, because here in Pomposa we have several. Oh, we can't see shit. My girlfriend is throwing marbles at me. Stop it. That little thing is diabolical. You always and since we have very fast corners on the left instead of the right, this tire usually get worn out here a lot.
Oh, se l'hai messo il cappello tuo papà? Se l'hai messo il cappello tuo papà?
Yeah, my father finally put a hat, otherwise he'll get a heat stroke. And stop throwing marbles.
Mi sono fatta male.
I know, you hurt yourself. And yeah, that's the Honda CBR of my parents' team, and that's it. And we're gonna eat some fried fish.
After enjoying a nice popsicle and spending a few minutes annoying my girlfriend, who absolutely hates being on camera. Love you, baby. The day was slowly coming to an end. That meant it was a perfect time for a track walk.
Hope to do it before the sun goes down. So this is basically the first corner, which you go and touch on the Ogersodrome. He's racing. So this should be the apex to the turn. You can see coming from there. You cut it here, and we have the outside curb that we don't really want to touch too much because it's very bumpy, and yes, it can cause some understeer. And I really like the plants in the middle of the apex. They're very snazzy. Wait, you should say hello to him. Oh, he's gone. He's gone to the back room. Oh, there we go. He's there.
Okay.
There's a bird. It's a bird. Oh,
Un coniglio!
rabbits. We're gonna go on National Geographic now. We met rabbits. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. Look how he jumps. It's looking at me. It's like a side eye. Whoa, look. Goodbye. Why does the bunny cross the road? So my girlfriend is taking a picture of the bunny. You did it? He got away.
Ay, la mia mano. E Giacomino. Cosa c'era quella birra?
Okay, so this is the place where the flange said peace out. My explanations are very original, aren't they? Meanwhile, I'm walking, my girlfriend is trying to kill me, and she got flowers, or that kind of stuff. It's an epic fail, because can we show them? Can we show them how you do it? It exploded, man. So she's doing this thing and she's hitting me every time. So she's having fun. Ah, yeah, it's okay. She hit me in the eye. But now I'm really feeling really hungry, so I'm gonna eat a pizza and cut through the gravel and go to the box. It's pretty deep, eh? And here we have it. Our beast finally assembled all together, and I need to put some stickers on the car that we'll put now, and then we'll be done for the day. It's basically almost night, and Rita stole a sticker. Where's my girlfriend going? So yeah, so basically there's many mosquitoes, many damn mosquitoes, and then sleep, damn mosquitoes again.
And after some good sleep, it was finally Sunday morning. We installed some new pads, so we will have a nice warm-up session to shake them down. So I hopped into the cockpit, making sure the mirrors were well positioned and everything was finally ready. Yeah, here is also where the fun starts. I stopped just before the track entrance and pressed the neutral button on my steering wheel, but the neutral light didn't light up, which meant the car was still in gear. Well, what do you do when something doesn't work at the first time? You try it again. So, I did press the button again, but still nothing. Light was not lighting up. So I kept pushing the button, hoping it would fix something. I also tried to pull the downshift pedal a few times, but still nothing happened. I was confused, but then I thought, can't be that bad, right? So yeah, I held my clutch and waited for the race director to let me onto the track for my warm-up session.
Look at this dude.
In this moment, my brain was something like... I played with the clutch and throttle for a couple of seconds and somehow managed to get the car moving in 4th gear.
First session went nice, brakes works, so we are happy with it. And I want to just let you see how many Twingos are lined up just to get into the warm-up. We are in the middle of a Twingo traffic, and I couldn't be in a better place in my life. Well, I'll go clean the car and then we'll have the second session. So people are coming in and coming out, and we see there we have Super Mario being the co-pilot, and now it's going in. I'm sitting in Yaris, and what I'm seeing as well is the actual transponder held together by duct tape. That's some innovation.
La categoria E.
Okay, we have a GoPro there. You see, that is where the recordings are taken, and I've changed the battery. So the battery, the actual one we have, the one we want to put is this one. You see, it's just a little. Okay. Now this one is a battery that I was struggling taking out from the GoPro, saying like, whoa, it kind of got glued to it, and you can see that it's a bit fat. It's way bigger than this one, You can clearly see it. It's like getting dismounted, and in the back there's written do not store in temperature over 60 degrees. So I suppose we absolutely reached over 60 degrees in the camera. So I think this little battery here is just to throw away, because I hope it won't explode in my hands. And yeah, let's keep going. You see the setup. Look how that car is lowered up. This is an absolute for uphill races as well. Here we have a Mini and a Lotus. Very nice. I really like the Lotus. It's very aggressive and small. It's like cuteness met evil. Oh, here comes a Mini with a co-pilot too. Absolute shitbox with Super Mario on the secondary seat right there. And this is the best part of the paddock, because everyone, I think, have the same car, like Peugeot 206, I think 106, I think it's 106, and just another car which I don't remember what cars we talked about. There's an Honda Civic. There's an Honda Civic right there. Very cool. This is the old version of it though. So my girlfriend gave me a comment which is very cool. This car reminds her of the car of Toy Story, the RC car, and actually it does seems like it. Oh, there it goes. I would really like to race with a car like that. That would be like, I am a really ignorant guy. These kind of things, I really like them. And here are all the Twingos all met together just to make the Twingo Cup. That hood is open. I really like this car because this is the car that races before me in the sessions, and what I can say about this car is that it reminds me a lot of the cars of the video game of iRacing Arcade. They're just the same, the big tires, the small car. I really like this. Pause. Look at that exhaust. Holy shit. No! No! I didn't notice the battery were missing. You're very lucky. Stop putting wet stuff on me. What? No! Che cazzo!